Hello everyone and welcome back to rysonsspraybooth, and this is another dent on the car door. As you guys can see here, now all these scratches are light scratches, but there is one major dent on this door where the door is gone inside slightly. As you guys can see on this point, the car door is gone inside a little bit, so that I will have to take out first and then apply body filler and level the dent. So come on, let's start to take out this dent. Now I have already taken out the back panel of this door. If you want to know how to take it out, then I have already showed that on my RysFix channel. If you have not yet subscribed to that channel, then you will find the link of that channel in the description. You can go there and subscribe to that channel as well and watch all the repair videos. Now here I am come on the inner side of the door panel. As you guys can see here, now the dent is exactly behind this metal pole, so it is very difficult to get there. Now I am going to make use of all these tools to bang the door from the inner side. So let's see if I will be able to use this tool to take out the dent. Otherwise I will have to make use of the stud welder. Now I tried a lot to bang the dent out from the inner side with all these tools, but the tools are not going inside. So now I will have to make use of my stud welder. So to make use of the stud welder, I will have to first take the grinder and take out the paint so that my studs will get welded to the metal. So here is my grinder. So first I will take out a little amount of paint and check if by taking out this much amount of paint I am able to take out the dent or no. Now while using the grinder, you will have to be extremely careful and take out only the top paint. If you overdo it, then you can end up with a big hole in the door, which you will not want. This is the reason why you should learn Autobody and painting first, so that you will avoid expensive mistakes, because it will happen that you went to do one thing and you ended up doing another thing, and now you will have to pay more money to fix your mistake. So here I am done grinding the paint. Now I will take my stud welder and I will start to take out this dent. Now these stud welders are still not available in India. They fall very expensive here. This I had bought when I was working on the ship. Now if you don't have a stud welder, then no problem, you can take your vehicle to the fabricator and they can help you to take the dent out easily. But nowadays these fabricators also take a huge amount of money just to take a small dent out. They are no longer like before. So when you have tools like this with you, your job becomes very easy and you don't have to go near anybody to fix your thing, and your time is also saved and you can do your own job by yourself very nicely. I had bought this stud welder for around 15,000 rupees. But now if you go to buy this stud welder online, then you will see that the rate is around 2 lakhs, or I don't know if they have reduced it now, but they apply import charges and all the other charges on that. But if you have a relative living in US, then you can tell him to get a stud welder for you. But the weight of this stud welder is too much, guys. It's a very heavy tool because it comes with a slide hammer, and the weight of the stud gun also is too much. So you will have to pay your relative for the weight and for the stud gun as well. Only then your relative will be ready to get this tool for you. So once you are done taking out the dent, your dent will look something like this. So you will have to check it like this. Take a putty knife and check if there is too much gap in between. If it is not touching on the sides, then it means that there is a high spot in the middle, and if it is not touching in the middle, then that is a low spot. That low spot you will have to take out. So here I am done leveling my dent. As you guys can see on all the angles how it looks like. So once you take out the dent, it will look something like this. Where there is slightly up and down, there we will fill it up with body filler and we will level it. That is a normal thing because it will be slightly up and down. You will have to apply the lessest amount of body filler. The less amount of body filler you use, the better finish and protection your metal will get. Now the next thing that you will have to do is you can't leave this dent open like this. If you are applying body filler immediately, then it is fine, but I will not be filling body filler so soon because I have more dents which I need to take out first. So that is the reason why I can't leave this dent like this in open contact with the air, because this dent can rust if I leave it like this. So that is the reason why I will apply primer and cover it up. And once I apply the primer, I can fill it up with the body filler after 2-3 days as well. So I will be ending this video here only, and I will do parts of this series as well. And in the next part of this series, I will show you how to apply body filler on this dent. If you want the entire process in one video, or if you like short videos like this, then see that you comment below and let me know so that I can customize my videos according to your liking. And if you want to learn Autobody and painting seriously, and if you want to acquire a professional looking finish, and that too from your home garage, and if you want to repaint your own vehicle by yourself, then I have created a step-by-step course on it. The link of it I have put in the description below. You can go there and get yourself enrolled and learn Autobody and painting. So if you found this particular video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, bye and take care.